The schooling system in India has progressed dramatically over the past 2 decades, but some challenges still remain. How can we digitize the entire learning process in schools at an affordable price? How can we offer a completely personalized experience of school curriculum as well as 21st century skills to every student? Can we track after school learning to make in school learning better? Today, we present to you Bolt. Bolt has been digitizing schools all over India and achieving phenomenal results. How do we do it, you ask? Using three things. First, through Bolt Class. Bolt Class is a 45-minute lecture that's taught in schools every day, where new age skills such as finance, coding, puzzles, and 70 careers are taught through stories. And school curriculum such as math, science, and social studies are revised through animations and simulations. Second, through the Bolt app, where students receive personalized and interactive content every day, and where teachers can edit content, grade homework, solve doubts, and create tests all in a few clicks. Now, teachers can find out which student is lacking in which topic exactly and immediately. And third, through the Bolt Mentor, who make sure that the students are able to reach their full potential using content, teachers, and parents. Our incredible faculty, all of whom have master's degrees from US universities, have sat in hundreds of Bolt classes to figure out where students were facing difficulties and where students were getting bored. This led us to innovate our video creation process by using motivational stories, memes, future outlook, interviews, and so on. Students go home and use the Bolt app to revise the Bolt classes, to revise interactive content, to solve textbook questions, to solve adaptive practice questions, and also to unlock rewards such as games and trading cards to motivate them. Bolt Mentor solves every doubt the student has, suggests the right career path based on the interests, aims, and performance analytics of the students, and constantly grooms these students so that they're ready for the future. In our experience, we've seen that children spending 15 to 20 minutes to master their favorite careers went on to become one of the best in the country in those domains. Our past students have had some wonderful things to say about us, and we were overwhelmed when we interviewed them. Our mentor community will always be there for the student, may it be a job interview or a career switch in the future. Bolt is cost-effective, an easy way for schools to have their very own comprehensive edtech platform, helps in branding, student retention, cutting costs, and is the best way to implement NEP in your school. Call us at 8008 622 997 to enter the future of learning.